Vintage cars and trucks are more than just vehicles. They are time machines. They take us back to simpler times. These classics remind us of the craftsmanship and style of the past. Vintage cars and trucks have a unique charm. They stand out from modern cars. They make a statement wherever they go. Owning a vintage vehicle is like owning a piece of history. These vehicles represent a bygone era. It was an era of chrome bumpers and tail fins. Back then, cars were built to last. They were built with character. There's something special about driving a vintage vehicle. It's a feeling you can't replicate in a modern car. It's a feeling of freedom and nostalgia. Let's talk about some iconic vintage vehicles. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is a classic beauty. It has a powerful V8 engine. It's known for its iconic tail fins and chrome accents. Another favorite is the Ford Mustang. It debuted in 1964. The Mustang created a whole new class of car. We call them pony cars. For truck lovers, there's the Chevrolet 3100. This pickup truck was built to work. It's known for its durability and simple design. These are just a few examples of the many amazing vintage vehicles out there. Each one has its own unique story to tell. I've owned many vintage cars and trucks over the years. Each one holds special memories for me. I remember my first car, a 1955 Buick Roadmaster. It was a boat, but I loved that car. I've also had the pleasure of driving some rare and exotic vintage vehicles. These experiences have taught me a lot about automotive history. They've also given me a deep appreciation for the craftsmanship of these vehicles. Vintage cars and trucks have starred in countless movies and TV shows. Think of American Graffiti and the iconic yellow Ford Coupe. These appearances have cemented their place in our culture. Every vintage vehicle has a story to tell. These stories are part of what makes them so special. Why are we still so drawn to vintage cars and trucks? Maybe it's the nostalgia factor. They remind us of simpler times. Perhaps it's the craftsmanship. Vintage vehicles were built to last. They have a level of detail you don't see in modern cars. Or maybe it's the feeling of driving something unique, something with character, something that makes you stand out from the crowd. Whatever the reason, vintage cars and trucks continue to capture our hearts. They are a reminder of our past. They are a testament to human ingenuity. They are, simply put, cool.